Hello, friends. Today we will learn how to apply for AEO T2 certification step by step. Applicant is allowed to fill T2 application only after verified their registration details. After logged into their portal, applicant can reach T2 application filling screen in two ways, which is T2 filling screen, through from eligibility screen to left navigation, T2 applications, and then click on application form. In T2 application filing, applicant needs to fill and provide all the information about company with all the documents such as IEC, GST, company security procedures, and etc. The applicant needs to mention whether entity is MSME. Applicants need to upload scanned copy documents based on their company category. Applicant needs to fill in all the annexures from A to E5, and this way you need to fill in the details as asked in the portal completely. Finally, after submit the T2 application details, application will be moved to AEO officials to application approval process. A physical verification of the unit will be done by the officials. Applicant will be received digital signature T2 certification after successful approval by officials. If application will be rejected, then applicant can file fresh application after 15 days of rejection. Meanwhile, application view their filled application to know current status of application process. During this approval process, if application is noted as any deficiency, then they need to submit additional submission document in order their deficiency details. After addition submission document, again application details will be moved to approval process. If the application is rejected due to any reason, the company will receive a rejection mail. Afterwards, the company can file a fresh T2 application again after 7 days from rejection. If the application will be approved, applicant will receive approval mail with digital signature certification via their registered mail. AEO certification procedure is complex. You might have some questions, and we are happy to answer them. Please email us or WhatsApp on the given number, and you will get our attention. Thanks for watching.